In this video, we will see a quick overview of the features available on Framework360. As you may know, Framework360 includes a lot of features. These are the modules already pre-installed, so when you register a new environment, you can, for example, create the website, use the CRM module to upload the records and contact the customer. Thanks to notifications, email marketing, and SMS marketing, you can perform marketing automation, create funnels, do web tracking, meaning you can track everything that happens on the Tolere website and create very advanced reports. You can manage sales, so every sale that comes from our e-commerce site can be handled, or sales can be uploaded manually. And then, clearly thanks to integrations, you can, for example, create invoices. As we can see, we have many integrations, including integration with Amazon, Danea, EasyFet, and we have integration with Facebook, Faktura24, Faktura in Cloud. By doing so, thanks to the sales module, you can create a sale and then have it generated automatically. The invoice, the estimate, the pro forma directly on Faktura in Cloud, and then have it sent to the client. We have integration with Google, with WhatsApp. This is an external platform that allows the use of WhatsApp. We have integration with Shopify and many others. As we can see, these are the integrations, but then there are also the plugins. Plugins are expansions of the platform that allow the use of a lot of additional features. For example, the ability to sell video courses, create reserved areas, and set up packages. Memberships that can be purchased by subscription. There's the possibility to manage the site's GDPR. Look at how many features are available. You can even install a plugin for Google keyword research if you deal with SEO or if you handle advertising. On search engines, you can install chat, sales pipelines. This is for commercial networks, multi-currency. This is very interesting as it allows you to change product prices in real time based on the currency. If, for example, we sell worldwide. You can manage customer points, frequently asked questions, plugins for restaurants. Here, with this plugin, you can have a reservation system, tables, or for example, a system for ordering home delivery. Look at how many plugins there are, and many more will come out. There is also the possibility, for example, to install a calendar for scheduling appointments. If you are a marketing consultant, for example, this function is very useful. It integrates with Google Calendar, allowing you to create loyalty cards. There is also the possibility of using Framework360 as a cash register for local businesses. They can, for example, open one Framework360 management system on a touch screen and set up their products. By doing so, the cashier operator can clearly enter products into an order, create a sale, and print, for example, the invoice or the fiscal receipt. With, for example, fiscal printers like the Artshape Print F. There is, for example, the possibility to expand the own environment. Thanks to e-commerce management, there is inventory management with the unloading and loading of warehouse availability, the ability to manage your own events if events are created and tickets are sold. Framework360 with this function becomes a management tool for those who create events. There is the Facebook Interest Explorer for all those who advertise on Facebook. This could be a very useful feature as it allows finding hidden interests that Facebook shows only through the APIs and not therefore on the business manager, and much more